Welcome to Kilpatrick Woods, Hagerstown's newest community offering affordable single-family homes thoughtfully crafted for vibrant neighborhood living. Commuting is a breeze with quick access to I-81, Route 40, and Route 11. Knock out all your errands in one trip at Garland Grove Boulevard, home to favorites like Home Depot, Panera, Walmart, Home Goods, and my personal favorite, Nothing But Cakes. And when it's time for a little retail therapy, Valley Mall and the endless shopping, dining, and big box stores along Halfway Boulevard are just minutes away. Now, let's explore some of my favorite spots downtown. The Maryland Theater is the perfect date night destination. Enjoy live concerts, dance performances, and more. When you need your caffeine fix, you'll have plenty of options, including my favorite spot, Cannon Coffee. This locally owned coffee shop serves gluten-free bites and fresh coffee less than 1 mile from the community. Rad Pies Pizza and Kushwa Brewing is the place to be on Saturday nights. Brand new to the area, our lineup of floor plans are designed for real life, with bright, airy layouts perfect for family gatherings or quiet nights in. One of the standout features of our homes is the spacious 1 or 2 car garage. Say goodbye to street parking and enjoy the convenience of direct access to your kitchen, making unloading groceries, or welcoming guests a breeze. Step outside and you'll find your own backyard space ideal for kids to play, pets to roam, or simply relaxing in your own outdoor retreat. Inside, the open floor plans create a sense of flow and connection with generous living spaces that feel bright and airy. The kitchen, great room, and dining space blend seamlessly, making everyday living and entertaining effortlessly cohesive. With up to 5 bedrooms, there's plenty of room for everyone and everything you love. Our homes offer an available unfinished basement, giving you abundant storage space now and the flexibility to finish it later and create even more living space. Whether you're starting fresh or growing your family, these homes give you the space to live your story. With flexible down payment options and a dedicated team ready to guide you every step of the way, we look forward to showing you how easy and exciting the home buying process can be. Join the interest list today to get the latest community updates, pre-grand opening pricing, and be one of the first to own in this amazing new community. We'll see you soon.